Riley, I think it's baliktad. You use the other hand. Yan, like that. Okay, very good.
Ganyan, maghawak.
Like this. Like this. You hold it there. Yan. Tama. This other hand yun. The right hand. Yan. And then, yan. Like that.
Ganyan.
Yes, like that. Very good,
Tapos
baby.
lalong dumami.
Yes. That's for what? For the
For the
spag.
spag.
What? Spag what? Yung favorite mo pag may party?
Spaghetti.
Very good. Let me see nga kung marami na yan. Let me see under. Wow, meron na. Very good.
Again, idagdagan ko ulit. Damihan ko.
Okay, please make plenty of grated cheese because mommy wants her spaghetti to have lots of cheese. What about you? You like lots of cheese also, right? For your spaghetti? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Napagod ka na? Napagod ka na, Rai?
Hindi.
Enjoy ka? Are you having fun?
Wow.
Are you having fun? What are you doing?
Desparas.
Okay. Wow, galing naman ni Riley. Oo.
Dami na?
Madami na?
Opo.
Mm-mm.
Kasi nagtatabi yung house ni Andrea. Mami.
What? Who's Andrea? Who's Andrea?
Yung kaklase ko.
You like Andrea?
Opo. At saka si Kicks.
You like Kix? Kix is your best friend?
Si Kiko at saka
Kix. Kix is short for Kiko.
Kiko.
Wow, ang galing naman. Okay, say bye-bye na. I'll end the video na. Bye. Sabihin mo.
Bye.
I'm still grating my cheese. Sabihin mo. Rai. Oh, what are you doing?
Bye.
Oh, what are you doing? Baby, maipit. Ay, mauntog ka dyan. Get out.
Tet. Tito toad. Tito toad. Ganyan maghawak na